Akiaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kiumia, Senator Sakaja arĩ hamwe na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ANC Musalia Mudavadi augĩte gũtirĩ na mahinda ma gwĩka gatiba mogarũrũku kũhetũkĩra BBI.
So tumeona vile koti imesema about BBI, because you cannot create constituencies after August 9th. Na wamesema wanatoa ruling August 20th. So hiyo ni kama
Sakaja akiuga ngucanio iria itũngĩtio BBI kũhetũkĩra magoti na ũcerithĩria ũrĩa umanĩte na cira wa BBI nĩ iherithia kũrĩ kaunti iria iragunĩkaga na kuongererwo kwa icigo cia ũmbunge.
Mimi na Nairobi na Nakuru tulikuwa tumeona pale tutafaidika. I have 4.3 million people. Na mimi niko na kura moja kwa Senate. Na kuna senator mwingine ako na watu 100,000 na kuna kura moja. But niko na watu wangu, kwa mfano ukienda Kasarani, because every constituency inapewa 150 million shillings CDF. Kasarani iko na watu 400,000. Wanatafuta bursary. Wanapewa 2,000, 3,000. Lakini kuna maeneo mengine the same 150 million constituency iko na watu 30,000. Wanapewa bursary mpaka scholarship ya kwenda ng'ambo kusoma. Is that fair?
Nao atongoria kĩama kĩa Wiper na ANC Kalonzo Musyoka na Musalia Mudavadi maugĩte bũrũri nĩ ũkũrwo nĩ ihinda rĩa bata harĩ mwathanĩre na kwerũhia mĩkĩre ya maũndũ na njĩra ya kwagĩrithia icunjĩ imwe cia gatiba kũhetũkĩra BBI wona ũcenjia wa gatiba kũhetũkĩra riboti ĩyo waga gũkinyanĩra.
I have no doubt myself that should the Court of Appeal give us the opportunity to go back to explain to the country the whole meaning and effect of the Building Bridges. In fact, I don't want to call it the Building Bridges Initiative. It's a constitutional amendment bill right now. And I keep on saying this thing is beyond Uhuru Kenyatta, is beyond Raila Odinga. It is for the Kenyans themselves.
But it's a moment of peaceful renewal. We have to renew our leadership. We have to renew our policies. It is a time of renewal.
We had said let us talk as Kenyans. Your Excellency, tupe nafasi that we can sit as parliament. Wabunge kutoka kila mahali. Tuache uhasama.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.